So, children, today let's start with Unit 6, that is Around the World, chapter number 61, Airlines. So, international airline are those airline which can fly to other countries. जो other country को fly करती है. Right, first is South Africa, Indonesia, Susi Air, second one. Then we have Malaysia, SC Air, Asia X. Next is Australia, that is Qantas and Qantas this. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 62, strange transport. So let's study about some strange transport over here. First is Coco taxi. It is found in Havana and Valdero, shaped like hollow out coconut. They are yellow taxi for tourists and black taxis for local. Second one is Sangetu. It's a pickup truck used in Thailand for band bus. It has two benches set in two rows used to share taxi or the bus. Ice Hanger boats. It's operate off the coast of Wisconsin, ground off Lake Island during the winter. The 2-mile ice highway form of ice injured boat to cross from Madeline Island of Visiga. Now, fourth one is that is funicular found in Turkey. Inclined railway है जो आपका tram move करता है and down ahead using a cable. Then we have Hubble Philips में है 2-wheel transport है. ये carry करता है up to 10 people. It runs on rural roads carrying people and goods. लोगों के साथ साथ goods भी carry करता है. Next is Mount Rushmore, chapter number 63. First is Mount Rushmore is also known as President Mountain. ये कहाँ located है आपका? Black Hill of Keystone, South Dakota, United States. It is a national memorial in sculpture carved into the night face of Mount Rushmore. Some male reason according to the National Park Service why each of the 4 presidents was chosen for the chapter. George Washington, first president and represented as a foundation of American democracy. Thomas Jefferson with Louisiana, right? Purchase, he greatly expanded the nation. He's also the author of hugely influenced Declaration of Independence. Then Theodore Roosevelt, he not only represented the industrial development of the nation, but also it is widely known for conservation efforts. Then we have Abraham Lincoln as the president during the US Civil War. He represents preservation of the national above all first. Mount Rushmore, standing 1,745 meters above the sea level, has chosen due to grand location, quality granite, and face southeast, so enjoyed maximum exposure to the sun. Construction of Mount Rushmore National Memorial took 14 years from 1927 to 1941. Over this period, 400 workers erected the sculpture under dangerous conditions. Okay, and removing the total 4,10,000 tons of rocks from here. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 64, Geographical Terms. So here we will study about some geographical terms. The top of mountain. The top of mountain होता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Peak. The mountain which erupts lava, it is volcanic mountain. The flat middle part of the land surrounded by hills. The hot sandy region of the earth is desert. A land surrounded by water from all sides. Iceland. It is formed when river falls down suddenly from a height that is waterfall. A small river carrying water to a big river, that is your tributary. A big water body carrying water to the sea, जो water को sea में ले जाती है. Sea. It is formed at the mouth of the river when it merges into sea, that is deltas. A narrow stretch of water joining two big water bodies. The fountain of hot water that sprouts suddenly from below the earth. That is geyser. It is a shallow stretch of water separated from main sea by sand barrier. A stream of frozen snow. A triangular part of sea that cut deep into the mainland. It is bay. Right, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 65, Effects of Global Warming. So, extinction of certain species of animals due to rapid changes in the nature. Right to method to control global warming. Plantation, water conservation. It has affected the climate pattern of the world. These days, summers are getting larger. So, what is the difference between fossil fuels and alternative source of energy?
See,
Right, two more effects on global warming. Rising temperature, temperature का बढ़ना. Increase in populations. राइट, थ्री मेजर कॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. राइजिंग टेम्परेचर हो गया, आप लिख सकते हैं. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 66, famous explorers. So explorers of new places, countries and even planets, been passion of man since ancient times. So many Portuguese friends and British sailors and scientists have sailed for several years. So you have to write the name. First one is American explorer. He is first to reach the North Pole in 1909. That is Robert Peary. He is a Norwegian explorer, first to reach the South Pole. That is your, who is he? Amundsen. Italian explorer, first to travel to China. He was first one to travel China. That is Marco Polo. Italian sailor, he was first to reach America in 1492. That is Columbus. Portuguese sailor, that is Vasco da Gama. Now, English explorer who explored Pacific Ocean, that is Captain Cook. He climbed Mount Everest along with Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand in 1953. American astronauts stopped on the moon on 20 July 1969, that is Neil Armstrong. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 67, that is Around the World. Fill in the blanks with the names of monument. The largest pyramid of Egypt is situated. कहाँ situated है? Giza में. The dash is situated on the banner point of Sydney Harbour in Australia. That is Sydney House. Sydney. Opera House. The dash is the resident of Queen of England. The dash is named after its designer, engineer, and Gustave Eiffel. That is Eiffel Tower. King Suryavarman II built the Temple of Dash in Cambodia. Angkor Wat. So Dash was given a gesture of friendship by France to the United States of America, that is Statue of Liberty. The Empire State Building, a steel framed 102-story building situated in the city of, कौन सी city में है? New York. Next is the famous Dash is a freestanding bell tower situated in Italy. That is your Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now our unit has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.